Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Small Engine Velocity, and today's video is about a mistake that I made, a terrible mistake, something that I assumed would be awesome, make my bike last and look shiny for many years to come, and it has to do with ceramic coating. If you're making that face, then you know what I'm about to talk about. Anyways, let's roll the intro. So everybody knows not Cerakoting. Everybody knows that ceramic coat on a car is awesome, but you got to apply it right. You got to do a lot of prep. Well, I came up with the brilliant idea. Hey, I'm always armor-alling the black plastics on my bike, so why can't I ceramic coat that stuff? Well, I tried it, and this is what I used. Coat Trim Coat. Easy to apply ceramic coating. And I thought it was gonna be awesome. They're individually wrapped Wipeys, kind of like diaper Wipeys that are wet that you use to wipe a baby's butt. Very similar, but full of chemicals that create a ceramic coating on top of something. Anyways, so what I did was this. The side of the tank has plastic pieces that I thought, well, my legs are gonna rub on there for a while. I might as well, or not for a while, a lot. So let's see if we can make it look shiny and new. And this is what I got. After using this wonderful Coat Trim Coat Wipeys, I put it on here, and instead of making my plastics look new, it made it look even older. Look how bad that looks. It's cracking, it's peeling. Now, I think part of the reason that it looks so terrible is because I washed these really well, but I don't think I washed them enough. So I think there was still Armor All on here, which caused it to look like this. And then I got the bright idea of going ahead and doing a second coat. Well, this hash mark pattern is actually inset. And yeah, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna use a scrub brush and scrub all this stuff. This stuff will not come off. And now I have permanently old looking plastics on the side of my pretty much new bike that I have. So I went on to Partzilla and had to order pretty much new plastics to put on here because there's just no saving these pieces here. Now, I did put it here and it didn't look so bad, so I don't have to change those. I don't have to change those. Sorry, I burped. And I did put it on here, on this bike, and it looks great. So that's what leads me to believe that I didn't prep the surface on the side. I put Armor All or something on here, but this came out great, and it repels water like there's no tomorrow on here. So the thing that I want people to learn from this is that just like in powder coating, just like in paint, just like in everything that you do that has to do with a permanent surface covering another permanent surface, be sure to prep really well. And don't use the easy wipey things to put on your bike. Try something that's a little bit more professional, if you know what I mean. So now, after waiting 2 months for these parts from Partzilla, she looks normal again. I did not buy the carbon fiber ones. I just bought the standard stock pieces and replaced this aged looking one. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad on both sides. And it was like super glossy. So don't make the same mistake. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link for this product down below so you know what to buy. Wait, did I say that right? So you know what to not buy. Anyways, see you in the next video.